In this video, I will be explaining how SoFi Investing works. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. SoFi has become one of the most popular platforms for beginners who want to start investing without complicated fees or confusing tools. But how exactly does SoFi Investing work, and what should you expect when using it? Here's the full breakdown. SoFi Investing is built around simplicity, automation, and low cost, making it ideal for new investors or anyone who wants a hands-off way to grow their money. The platform offers two main options: active investing and automated investing, both of which work differently, but can be used together under one account. With active investing, you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares on your own. This is great for people who want control over their portfolio. You can invest with as little as $1. There are zero trading commissions. And SoFi's app gives you easy-to-read charts and research tools. If you want to build your portfolio manually and choose your own investments, active investing is the way to go. On the other hand, automated investing works like a robo-advisor. Instead of choosing your own stocks, SoFi builds a diversified portfolio for you based on your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Once you answer a few questions, the app assigns you a portfolio made up of ETFs, and from there, the system automatically rebalances your investments to keep everything on track. This option is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants stress-free investing with no guesswork. One of SoFi's biggest strengths is its low-cost structure. Automated portfolios come with no management fees, which is unusual compared to other robo-advisors. You also don't need a high balance to get started, making SoFi one of the most accessible investment platforms available. SoFi Investing also includes tools like recurring investments, letting you automatically invest daily, weekly, or monthly. This helps you grow your portfolio over time, using dollar-cost averaging. Plus, you get access to SoFi financial advisors, who can guide you through planning and investment decisions at no additional cost. The platform also offers retirement accounts like IRAs, enabling you to invest for long-term goals in a tax-advantaged way. Everything is controlled through the intuitive SoFi app, which brings banking, investing, and credit monitoring together in one place. Overall, SoFi Investing works as a beginner-friendly, low-cost, and modern investment platform. Whether you want to actively choose stocks or let the system build and manage a portfolio for you, SoFi makes the process simple and accessible for anyone.